Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Roxanne E. Garcia. I'm 30 years old and I'm married with 2 children, ages 1 year and 9 months old son and 9-year-old daughter. I'm living at Bustamante, Luna, Isabela. I'm a college graduate and I took up Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have a work experience here in the Philippines as housemaid at the Acoba family, sir, with 2 children, ages 5 years and 7 years old, sir. I do all the household chores like cleaning, cooking, car washing, and I take care of the children, sir.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
If the baby or the children is sick, sir, I will check their temperature and I will call immediately my employer, sir.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I would describe myself as a hardworking, honest, and responsible, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
I don't have, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
I am a cesarean section, sir, for 1 year and 9 months ago, sir.
Okay. Do you have an allergy to certain food?
I am allergic in shrimps and crabs, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to provide for my family and to save for our future, sir.
If you get hurt, who will take care of your children?
My husband and my mother, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will remind myself, sir, that I have to focus because I want this job, sir.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep at night at 10 o'clock, sir, and I wake up 5 o'clock, sir.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will remind myself to be calm, sir.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I am willing to learn, sir.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Dear Mom, sir, please select me as your helper. I promise that I will do my best to take care for your family, sir.